my dear students. Today, Chitra Belwal welcomes you all to your English literature class. So, my dear students, I hope that you all must be fit, fine, and healthy, and must be studying nicely at your home and must be very safe. So, my dear students, once again, I welcome you all to your English literature class. So, kids, today we are going to study something new, something very interesting. So before that, I want to ask you, my dear children, can you do all the things alone of yourself? Can you do everything alone by yourself only? क्या आप सारे के सारे काम अपने आप कर सकते हैं? Can you play cricket, football, basketball, these all games yourself alone? क्या आप ये सारे गेम अकेले खेल सकते हो? No, ना. To play this game, to accomplish the different tasks, you need team. है ना? हम सबको किसकी जरूरत होती है? We need team to accomplish many tasks. All the person can't do all the things by himself or herself. Sometimes we need other members also so that task can be accomplished. So, my dear students, today we are going to study something about this only. Today we will start our new unit, that is Unit 2, Teamwork. And this is the first poem of your Unit 2. So, what is teamwork? Teamwork means when different person they used to accomplish the same task all together. जब बहुत सारे लोग एक ही टास्क के लिए, एक ही वर्क के लिए साथ में काम कर रहे होते हैं, that is known as teamwork. So it's a very nice poem written by Jan Negro. And what is the main theme of this poem is, you can see I have written over here, teamwork is a poem that teaches us a great deal about how collaborating and working together can be beneficial. It means, my dear children, teamwork एक ऐसी poem है जो हमें ये सिखाती है, जो हमें ये टीच करना सिखाती है a great deal about how collaborating means साथ में मिल के काम करना, and working together can be beneficial. Teamwork हमें ये बताती है कि collaborating और this working together हमारे लिए कितना beneficial हो सकता है, कितना लाभदायक हो सकता है. The poem is essential for students as it will help them to become better team. And this poem is also very much essential, very much important because it will help the students to become a better team. वो एक better team की तरह हम बच्चे कैसे एक अच्छी टीम बन सकती है उसके बारे में भी सिखाया गया है. So I know, my dear students, you all will enjoy this poem. And before that, I want to ask one thing, that do you like to walk and play with others? Or you like to play alone? आपको औरों के साथ भी खेलना पसंद है या सिर्फ अपने आप अकेले खेलना पसंद है? Yes, of course, you all need other team members also. It will so that the game may be interesting, na? So let's sing and enjoy this poem very nicely. See, my dear students, here I have written poem for you all. Teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So my dear students, now I will explain you this poem one by one paragraph. Okay. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. In this, my dear children, the poet Jan Negro wants to tell, poet ये कहना चाहता है that teamwork, teamwork. जो हमारा टीम वर्क है, टीम वर्क मीन्स व्हेन वी ऑल यूज टू वर्क टुगेदर फॉर अ कॉमन गोल. जब हम कॉमन गोल के लिए हम सब मिलके काम करते हैं, तो पोएट बोल रहे हैं कि टीम वर्क टुगेदर वी कैन मेक अ ड्रीम वर्क. So when we will work together, then we can accomplish our goal, we can accomplish our dream. जब हम साथ में मिल के काम करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपने ड्रीम्स को, what we want to achieve, we can achieve that goal. ठीक है. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. When we will work together, if you will work alone, अगर आप alone work करोगे तो आप किसके साथ शेयर कर सकते. बट अगर सपोज यू आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, राइट, एंड यू हैव वॉन द मैच, आप जीत गए मैच, देन ऑल टुगेदर you used to say hooray and all that ना, you used to share your joy with each other. सब लोग मैच जीतने के बाद they used to hug each other, है ना, एक दूसरे को हग करते हैं. So when you win, when you achieve your task at that time, then you can share the joy what you have done. जब आप टीम वर्क में काम करेंगे और आप जीत जाएंगे, then you can share, आप शेयर कर सकते हो दूसरे के साथ what you have done, आपने क्या किया है उसको you can share with others also. Okay, teamwork everyone, right? Now second paragraph is, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. अब here my dear children, hoop, you know, hoop क्या होता है, hoop when you used to play basketball, then वहाँ पे आपको एक राउंड बास्केट ऊपर दिखती है ना, that is known as hoop. Then it is fun to shoot basket through the hoop. Shoot means बास्केटबॉल खेलते खेलते बास्केट में डालना, ठीक है. So वो बोल रहे हैं, पोएट इज सेइंग कि इट्स फन, वो बहुत फन होता है, बहुत मजेदार होता है when we used to put the ball in the basket. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoot. But suppose my dear children, if you are all alone in the basketball game, अगर आप बास्केटबॉल में अकेले डप करते बास्केट में डाल लें, then it will be great fun. कुछ फन होगा. अगर आपको कोई बॉल ही पास नहीं करेगा, if nobody will passes you the ball, then how can you shoot in the basket? आप कैसे बास्केट में शूट करोगे. सो द पोएट इज सेइंग, पोएट कह रहे हैं, बट इफ नोबडी पासेस, अगर आपको कोई बॉल ही पास नहीं करेगा, देन नोबडी शूट. अगर बॉल ही पास नहीं आएगी, आपको पास करते करते बॉल आपके पास नहीं आएगी, तो आप शूट कैसे करोगे, बॉल को बास्केट में कैसे डालोगे, ठीक है. एंड द रिले रेस जस्ट कांट गो ऑन. And do you know, my dear children, what is relay race? Relay race क्या होती है? Relay race is a race in which the players, they used to pass the baton to other members. Relay race ऐसी race होती है in which there are 4 members, okay, and they used to stand in difference, थोड़े दूरी में खड़े होते हैं, and what they have to do, they have to pass the baton. Baton means होता है लकड़ी का डंडा या आयरन का इतनी बड़ी रॉड होती है, एंड दे हैव टू पास, दे हैव टू रन and come to the another member, then they have to give that rod, that stick to the another, then that person will run, he will give to the third one, and again the third one will run and will give to the fourth one. So this way the relay race went on. So the poet is saying that, and the relay race just can't go on, and if the one person as a team member, they have to work, and if one person will not run fast, then how can he give the baton to the another, दूसरे को कैसे दे पाएगा. तो यही बोला गया है कि अगर हम एक टीम वर्क की तरह काम नहीं करेंगे, तो how the relay race will go on. तो relay race कैसे हो पाएगी, है ना? If nobody wants to pass the baton, अगर baton को कोई pass on नहीं करेगा, then relay race will not be able to, the team members will not be able to achieve the goal successfully. Okay, so third paragraph is, we are the parts that make the whole. It means here the poet is saying, before explaining this line, I want to tell you, my dear children and kids, have you seen pizza? आपने पिज्जा देखा है? कैसा होता है? It is round in shape, right? और उसमें डिफरेंट पार्ट्स भी बने होते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू टेक अवे वन पार्ट, अगर आप उनमें से एक भी पार्ट हटा लेंगे, पिज्जा का अगर 1/4 पार्ट भी आप निकाल लेंगे, देन विल दैट पिज्जा बी होल? क्या वो पिज्जा पूरा रह पाएगा? नहीं ना. अगर आप पूरा पिज्जा में से एक पार्ट भी निकाल लेते हैं तो वो होल नहीं कहलाएगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसका कुछ पोर्शन आपने निकाल लिया है. सो द पोएट इज सेइंग, we are the parts that make up the whole. बोल रहे हैं कि हम जो है पार्ट्स हैं जो होल बनाते हैं. क्या बनाते हैं? पूरा बनाते हैं, ठीक है. होल मीन्स फुल पार्ट. एंड we have got our eyes on the common goal. And when we are working as a team, अगर हम टीम की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, then we have to work together for the common goal. हमें एक कॉमन गोल की तरह काम करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स हमें पता है कि हमें इस गोल को अचीव करना है, तो बाकी के जितने प्लेयर्स होंगे दे विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली. सपोज वी आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, देन एज इन द टीम ऑफ इंडिया, ठीक है. सो ऑल द टीम मेंबर्स विल वर्क टू विन, ठीक है. सारे के सारे कोलैबोरेट होके एक साथ ऐसे काम करेंगे सो दैट वी कैन विन. ओके, नाउ sometimes it can be big plus. कभी कभी when we work as a team member, when we does the team work, so sometimes it add to the plus. वो हमें क्या plus हमें benefit होता है. plus means here benefit होता है. and when you or me becomes us, और ये plus कब होता है? when it becomes plus when you and me we both become us. जब हम us की तरह हम करके काम करते हैं, मीन्स अकेले काम करेंगे, इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट वी मे बी सक्सेसफुल और वी मे नॉट बी सक्सेसफुल, बट व्हेन वी यूज टू वर्क एज अ टीम, देन इट इज श्योर दैट with everyone efforts we can win. So my dear students, I hope you have understood this poem very well. So once again we will recite this poem. You also repeat with me. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. This poem is written by Jan Negro. So my dear students, it's your today's homework that you have to read this poem very nicely. You have to learn this poem. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a blessed day ahead.